Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix iPhone microphones not working after iOS 17 update. When your iPhone's microphone is not working, you may experience various sound issues. For example, Siri may not be able to detect your voice, other people may not be able to hear you during a FaceTime call, or you may not be able to record your audio. If you're also facing these issues and you want to fix this, then don't worry. In this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix this issue. First of all, you have to restart your iPhone. Sometimes the easiest solution is the best solution. Restarting your iPhone refresh the iOS by cleaning all processes and opens app. It can be a quick fix to your iOS 17 microphone problem. Simply go to your settings and go back and go to general, then tap on shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting your iPhone and you're still facing the same issue, then you have to check that if microphone and you have to check that if iPhone microphone muffled or muted. Try cleaning it. One of the simplest way to fix your iOS 17 device microphone is by cleaning it. If any of your microphones sound muffled when you speak, they might need a good cleaning. iPhone microphones are sensitive and a small piece of dust or dander can affect how they sound. After cleaning your microphone and you're still facing the same issue, then you have to disconnect Bluetooth devices. Being connected to Bluetooth devices could mean that your iPhone is activating an external microphone and you cannot use one built in into the iPhone itself. This is a common issue with those who use Bluetooth headphones or smart home systems. Simply, you have to disconnect your Bluetooth device or simply and disable the Bluetooth. After disabling it and you're still facing the same issue, then you have to give apps microphone permissions. If you are having a microphone issue when you are trying to use a specific app like WhatsApp, Zoom, FaceTime or Skype, make sure that the app has permission to access the microphone. After doing this and you're still facing the same issue again and again and your microphone is not working, then you have to try last solution, reset all settings. For doing this, simply tap on your settings, then tap on general, scroll down, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and try to fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.